Hey you guys, welcome back to Homesteading with SEK. Alright you guys, so what you are looking at is my harvest for today. You guys, I have been harvesting all throughout the homestead and I haven't been able to bring you guys as many videos because it's been super hot and very hectic for me and super busy for me around this time of year. So I just wanted to bring you guys a little harvest today. Everything is doing really well on my right side of the grow area, which is my okra, my variety of okra and tomatoes and sugar snap peas and peppers. You guys, on my right side, I did begin to pull all my zucchini plants and all my peas, not peas, green beans, the yellow beans, the green beans, because I had an infestation of rabbits. When I tell y'all the rabbits has been going to town on my homestead. Um, so I had to pull 4 beds of all my green beans that were sold. They came in very nicely, beautiful, a lot of greenery. Um, and then they just came in and just raised it up. I also had an infestation of Bambies running around. They would jump in the fence, and I was able to secure the second trellis on the far right to keep them out of there. But they did get in there and messed around with a lot of my peas that I had planted, like my long green beans, and they were like Asian beans that the seeds that I had sold. I did get a good harvest from my grow bags with the cucumbers. Right now the trellis is trying to fill up with leaves. I'm going to just let it do what it wants to do over there. And maybe I will get a few strands of green beans. Right now it is definitely needing to be cleaned out towards the back end of it. So right now I have the 2 firings that are still growing cucumbers, but I'm about to pull those as well. I'm probably going to get maybe my last harvest off of those 2 firing raised beds. Um, as far as the tomatoes are still coming in, and my peppers got eaten up by the rabbits and the deers. So I'm trying to bring them back to life. Even with my shade cloth, they were still able to get in there and kind of decimate those plants that was over there. Um, let's see. I did get a harvest of peaches, you guys. I got 2 buckets of peaches. I'll tell y'all about that because I'm a little bit disappointed, but we ate a lot of them. And some of them went bad because I got busy with family members. And I did leave them outside. Totally forgot that I had them outside in the buckets. And then I had one inside, which we were eating. Those, the ones that was inside, but totally forgot about the ones that were outside. So we lost that bucket. Um, right now, there is a lot of heat exhaustion out here. Uh, the herbs are, they're struggling. My herbs are struggling in my green stalk. And also in my other tower that I created, I still have tomato plants that are trying to birth out. But it's so hot out here, you guys. It's just really hard to get out and keep everything watered. Um, we did get a touch of the hurricane that came through the islands, and we got a touch of that, which we needed those few days of that downpour rain because it is definitely dry and everything is definitely being affected throughout the this heat wave. Sorry about that, you guys. So my harvest here is lots of cucumbers, lots of okra. I did get a harvest of eggplant and the black beauty, the white ones, the long purple ones. So we've been actually grilling those as we harvest those. So I haven't been able to bring you guys from garden to table because I just been so busy. But we did get a great harvest of the eggplants this year. They did really well in the grow bags this year compared to the last 2 summers. I was trying to grow them in the fire ring, and I don't know what it was. They just wasn't birthing out the way they birthed out in the grow bags. So I've been happy about that as well. I did get a few of my sugar snap peas, and when I planted the sugar snap peas and I did that little trellis, I had no idea that they would grow that tall. So they created like this pyramid, and I didn't bring you guys footage of that, but it was so pretty how they grew. Now they're starting to die back, and I'm just gonna prune those back and let them fertilize the soil. But I did get a pretty decent harvest from the what were they, Alaskan peas, sugar snap peas, and there's another name of the pea it was. So that did really well in that one grow in that one raised bed over there. So right now the okra is thriving, watermelon is thriving, tomatoes are still thriving. I still got some pepper plants in my wagon that's still trying to birth out, trying to keep them watered. But like I said, it's so hot, you guys. Everybody knows it's hot. Um, so I'm gonna give you guys a tour video probably in another day or so you can see what's going on with all the fruit trees and things of that nature, and maybe some upcoming projects that I'm going to be doing. I will keep you guys abreast about that. And yeah, you guys, right now, I know everybody's out there lifing. People are taking their vacations right now. I'm definitely looking to get out of here soon because I definitely need a break. I feel very exhausted. I need to be restored. I've been dealing with this summer cold. Actually, my whole family got sick with the ACs and the fans running and stuff like that. So I'm a little stopped up even right now. But definitely need some R&R. So I hope everyone is doing well out there in the homesteading world. And this is SEK, the homesteader, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.